This morning we are going to be steaming up some buns that we got from the Chinese supermarket yesterday. One of the must-have cooking hardware for our van is a steamer. This is a big 6-quart pot with a steamer rack in there, which is perfect for us to be able to steam things like these buns here. This is a Phoenix bun. It's got egg yolk in there. Yeah, this filling here is sweet and savory. So we'll use it as a dipping sauce for the plain bun here. Oh, that's a big piece. It's good, yeah. Today is day 1433 of us living the van lifestyle. We're a family of 3 traveling through the United States. We are currently in Salt Lake City, Utah, and we're staying in Utah or Salt Lake City until after Halloween, which is tomorrow, because our 21-month-old is going to be trick-or-treating for the second time in his life. So we wanted to find a bigger city where we can feel festive with the Halloween season. So here we are. And we're just kind of hanging out today in Salt Lake. We're going to stop by a children's museum today for Spencer to play and roam around. And later on we'll run some errands and get on with the rest of the day. Let me show you guys where we parked last night, where we camped. It's a pretty cold day here in Salt Lake City. It's like in the 30s right now. And we stealth camped in a residential area. There's a community center right over here, and then there's a park in the back, and we kind of blend in with the rest of the street here because there's some kind of apartments and rentals here, some cars on the street, so we didn't stand out too much last night. This was a little bit tilted though. The street here is tilted towards the passenger side, so we didn't really feel it when we were sleeping, but you know, when we're kind of standing around in the van, we'll feel the slight tilt. But other than that, it wasn't a bad spot here. This could be somewhere we'll come back to if we're in the area. All right, we got done with our morning routine, and we're gonna head over to the Discovery Gateway Children's Museum, and we're gonna spend the morning and early afternoon there for Spencer to explore and play. Good song, isn't it? You like this song? And the wheels turn fast. All right, we are here in downtown, and it's right around the corner. So let's get parked and we'll walk over. All right, let's check out this children's museum, Discovery Gateway. All right, let's go inside. Let's check it out. All right, we are in the museum now. So the children's museum that we're part of in New York, the Stalin Children's Museum, they are part of a program called the ACM program, which allows access to a lot of other children's museums around the country for 50% off admission, and this is one of them. So we were able to get 50% off, and it came out to like $19.50 for the 3 of us. We have to pay for Spencer as well, because he is over 1 year old. But yeah, the Children's Museum membership with the ACM and the ASTC, those have been like really nice for us. We've been able to go to a lot of these children's museums around the country for either half off or completely free if they're part of the ASTC. So definitely worth checking out if you are traveling the country, or if you enjoy visiting children's museums, or even other museums and science centers around the country for really cheap. Check out the water station here, Spence, your favorite. Wow, look at the horse, Spence. Yeah, yeah, good job, bud. Whoa. Yeah, good job. This little dinosaur section is so cool. I think you can actually use the tools to dig because it looks like there's like actual rocks or they put cement here, or maybe they fill it back up so kids can actually dig. So that's really cool. Whoa. We just got done with the Children's Museum here in downtown Salt Lake City. I think Spencer had a lot of fun. We played for like a good 3 hours. And yeah, we like to bring them to places like this because our van is very small. There's not much of a place for him to run around. Plus the Children's Museum usually have a lot of interactive and learning things. Things that will kind of improve his motor skills and just more educational base. And yeah, this one is a really nice one, especially that we have the discount from our other membership, the ACM membership. You know, it makes it a really good deal, 50% off. Yeah, we are about to leave downtown Salt Lake City. We're gonna run some errands. Spencer's about to take his nap. He's just eating his cheese right now in the car seat. And we'll be doing like laundry and stuff. So we're gonna get going. Spencer is still napping right now, and we're kind of just running errands for the rest of the day. All right, we just got done doing the laundry, and we are gonna head over to a mall to walk around for a little bit. And Spencer woke up from his nap. Hey, Spencer. So tomorrow is Halloween, and because we live in a van, we don't have like a neighborhood where we can go trick-or-treating. So this is what we're gonna do. Rena found a few neighborhoods on Reddit that are good for trick-or-treating in Salt Lake City, and tonight we're gonna go scout one or two of these neighborhoods to see if they're actually nice, if there's a lot of decorations. And the reason why we're doing this is because last year we were in Seattle and we didn't do any plannings at all, and on Halloween we found a place to camp for the night, and we just decided to, okay, let's go trick-or-treating and go find like some houses that and get some candies, right? And as you guys know, Seattle has a lot of like uphills, and it's on a hill basically. So we had to walk a lot of inclines to different houses, and it wasn't the most fun experience. We just did like maybe 4 or 5 houses, and then we just gave up. So this year I think a little planning is going to go a long way, and let's see if we can find the best neighborhood to trick-or-treat in Salt Lake City. We're gonna walk around the shops at Southtown. There's a mall. It has a round one as well. So look at how pretty the mountain is behind us, Spencer. All right, let's go to round one. It's a Japanese arcade with a lot of claw machines and yeah, a lot of arcade stuff. So I think they got bowling too and some other fun activities. Whoa, good job, Spence. Oh, so much lights. All right, claw machine. Let's see. Let's see if we can get some plush toys. All right, let's go, Mama. Oh, a little further. Can I try again? The owl is kind of cute. Alright, try, Spence. Just hit the button. Hit the button. Let's see. Oh, so close. Alright, we're gonna try this one. This one you gotta push it down with one of the claws. Let's get the cow. Uh-oh. Look what Mama got from the claw machine. Yeah. After like 20 tries.
This is like four tries?
4 tries? Okay. Good job. We spent about an hour here at the mall. There's a nice indoor playground here for Spencer to play around. And we're going to be heading out soon. And we're going to start looking for a place to camp for the night. We're leaving the mall area now. And we're going to start heading over to a place where we're going to be camping for the night. But before we do that, we're probably going to stop by Walmart real quick to pick up a few things. Spencer's out of yogurt right now. And we want to stop by that community where we want to be trick-or-treating to check it out, to see how festive it is. And if it's nice, then we're going to go there tomorrow. But let's swing by there too. The views here are just so nice. Got the mountains right over here. We're in the neighborhood that's supposed to be pretty nice for trick-or-treating. We're just looking for a lot of decorations, like maybe a section of houses that have Halloween decorations. We have yet to see a large amount of houses. I mean, there's individual houses that are doing some, decorating, celebrating. But let's circle around a little bit more and see if there's a specific street that has a little bit more activity than others. Circling the side streets here. I mean, there's some lights here. These are pretty nice. Yeah, these like apartments have some decorations. Yeah, these are nice. I mean, let's find I think this could work. I mean, we can sit down and like look this house is pretty nice. And that one too. Yeah, I think like the apartments or like maybe the townhomes would be a good place to do trick-or-treating, just because like it's all bundled together. We don't have to go too far. Actually we can park here. What do you think? Yeah, we can just sleep here. Alright, we're gonna stay on this block. I think it should be okay. Yeah, oh, this block is nice too, right here. Yeah, look at this house. This is pretty cool. Alright, it's getting quite dark here. You might not be able to see it, but we're gonna be parked on this street here. We're blending with a bunch of cars, so we should be okay. Alright, we haven't made dinner yet, so we're gonna cook first. Alright, tonight we're going to be cooking some dumpling that we got from the Chinese supermarket yesterday, and I'm going to be also cooking a steak. And we're going to be just eating dinner in the van tonight. Alright, I'm going to end the video here. We're going to hang out in the van for the rest of the evening. We're going to have some dinner. And then tomorrow we're going to go trick-or-treating because it's Halloween. And I don't know if we're going to ultimately be in this specific area that we're parked here. We might go out to pick up some stuff in Walmart. We were supposed to go tonight, but it was kind of getting late, getting dark, and Spencer was hungry, so we'll wait till tomorrow. And if you guys want to see us go trick-or-treating as a family tomorrow, the costumes and all that, in Salt Lake City, be sure to watch our video tomorrow. And if you guys like watching real van life content, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Much appreciated. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.